Civil Service Exam Reviewer. Analogy. Let me know if you get a perfect 10 out of 10.
Pool is to loop, lap is to blank. A, lifeguard, B, track, C, heat, D, pail. The correct answer is letter D, pal. Pool is loop spelled backward, and lap is pal in reverse. Blank is to enunciate, praise is to insult. A, upbraid, B, umbrage, C, mumble, D, broadcast. The correct answer is letter C, mumble. To mumble is the opposite of to enunciate, and to praise is the opposite of to insult. Trellis is to garden, fireplace is to blank, A, smoke, B, house, C, log, D, ash. The correct answer is letter B, house. A trellis is found in a garden, and a fireplace is found in a house. Eraser is to pencil, blank is to pen. A, write, B, delete, C, nib, D, calligraphy. The correct answer is letter C, nib. The eraser is part of a pencil, and the nib is part of a pen. Purr is to blank, huff is to indignation. A, cat, B, whiff, C, contentment, D, anger. The correct answer is letter C, contentment. To purr is a sign of contentment, and to huff is a sign of indignation. Lap is to pool, blank is to space. A, pass, B, Gene, C, light year, D, slide. The correct answer is letter C, light year. Lap is a distance covered in a pool, and light year is a distance covered in space. Dolly is to blank, ferry is to passenger, A, ticket, B, ship, C, camera, D, ocean. The correct answer is letter C, camera. A dolly moves a television or motion picture camera, and a ferry moves passengers. Scratch is to race, blank is to poker, A, draw, B, king, C, card, D, fold. The correct answer is letter D, fold. To scratch is to withdraw from a race, and to fold is to withdraw from poker. Receipt is to blank, license is to marriage. A, money, B, store, C, purchase, D, husband. The correct answer is letter C, purchase. A receipt is an acknowledgement or document of a purchase, and a license is a document acknowledging a marriage. Efficient is to wasteful, blank is to deceptive. A, sly, B, detective, C, honest, D, cautious. The correct answer is letter C, honest. To be efficient is the opposite of wasteful, and to be honest is the opposite of deceptive.
Did you get perfect?